Good evening all, my name is Pradeep Kumar Kipi. I will be taking a webinar on 101 application on CNC router machine. How many of you know about CNC router machine? Many people would have heard of CNC machine, CNC mill, CNC lathe and all those kind of things. Anyone know about CNC? Can you please? Yes, just okay. I know about CNC machine. Can you comment? Put okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I think few people would be knowing it. No way. I didn't get any response from you people, but I hope that some people will be knowing it. It's a CNC machine. You people know that. So what is, first I will explain you what is the difference that generally we talk about the CNC router machine. I am audible to all of you? That
Yes,
also?
sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So the CNC router machine, I will just differentiate from what the CNC known by us know, CNC mills, that we call VMC, HMC, horizontal milling center, vertical milling center, like that. And most of these cases, you can see that these kind of machines are used for some tool and die making and for automobile industries, also for like aeronautical application where there is a high end precision is required, or some kind of the productivity is so high, or there is some critical application is there, like that we are more familiar, where there is the people were able to do lot of investment for this particular technology. So so many years that kind of technology was in high, so people will be using, or so most of us, CNC means we will think that it's a very high investment machines, and it is not very closely approachable to us like that. So in that manner, as a CNC machine, we were thinking that it's a very high-end machine and all. It's still there. That kind of application is still there. It's largely used for production type of application, very high-end application, whereas the precision is required like 1 micron, 5 micron, like that, very high precision required. So that kind of machine is still there. But this same technology, where we many people thought of, why we can't use for some low key applications like carpentry or jewelry making or stone carving, or many like that, like pattern making also, because most of the CNC what we know is used for mainly for metal applications. So these kind of machines we have developed, and many people started doing the development in CNC. Is just a do-it-yourself type. There we want some low-key application area like wood carving and cutting some form sheet or some plastics, like that. So that kind of application is developed. So then we just want to move the tool. For moving the tool in X, Y, Z or any other direction, if we want to automate it, like that. The router name development, the hand router generally used for routing CNC, routing wood, for cutting wood. You may be seen many carpenters are using hand routers, but we want to replicate that hand movement, that he is moving the hand in a circular motion or straightly he want to cut it. So that movement we want to replicate with the movement of X, Y, Z direction. We want to move that in so that we can automate it. You can use similar to a CNC machine. Then the word the CNC router has come up. So CNC router generally used for early stages, it was for generally for CNC wood carving applications. Now it's used for many materials like metals, also non-metals, or many other materials like ceramics, some different kinds of polymers, and whatever material we want to machine, we do it with the CNC router. So CNC router also have a tendency that it's made in a very low technical environment. So what happening is that the precision as well as the repeatability and all is not that high as the general that is the high-end CNC machine what we are using, but nowadays it's coming up. So now I will share a video where I already taken explained about the CNC router machine. I will just play it for you now. You just see it, then we will see that with different application areas of CNC router machine. So what is a CNC router? You just hear, please.
A CNC router is a machine that is very similar to the commonly used handheld router that is utilized for cutting various materials. But the movements and rotation of router is controlled by CNC. CNC means computer numerical control. CNC enables the machine to function automatically by using CAD and CAM software on a computer. You can tell the CNC router exactly how to machine any material to get a precise output. It automates tool movement and tool rotation according to the program command or NC codes similar to a CNC milling machine. CNC router is generally used for machining soft metals like brass, copper, gold, silver, etc. and also other materials like wood, composite, plastics and foam, etc. CNC router build structure is generally bit type or gantry type. Some of the application areas of CNC router are signage, cabinets and furniture making, aluminum and brass machining, prototyping and 3D modeling, musical instruments, jewelry making, door carving, interior and exterior decorations, wood panels, signboards, wooden frames, moldings. In addition, it helps in the thermoforming of plastics by automating the trimming process. CNC routers reduce waste and increase productivity, producing various items in a much shorter amount of time than using other conventional machines. CNC routers are utilized including hobbies like woodworking, creating prototype within the engineering field, producing piece of art and certain form of production work. Many hobby and do-it-yourself CNC machines are in CNC router category. CNC router is comparatively easy to use compared to other CNC machine. So it is used by traditional workers in furniture making, tool carving, jewelry making, etc. with ease. Industrial models of CNC routers are extremely large and can take up a good amount of space. However, newer desktop CNC routers are much smaller and can place right on a table. More advanced CNC routers with great capabilities to be incredibly precise in their production process has also been developed.
So this is the basic of CNC router machine. We will see some more videos of CNC machine working in some applications like that. First I am going to show is that in wood cutting applications. You can just see that. This is a gold sheet cutting for making patterns. This is the output. I guess many kind of application is available. This is for marking, just marking on. This is for wood pattern making. The pattern is used for in foundry for casting. It also you can use for die making, small dies. This is for PCB board engraving and drilling. It's not coming. So like this, many application area is there where we can use CNC router machine, and we will see and the kind of material what we can use with CNC router are n number. The concept here is that I have already explained to you. This CNC milling machine is generally C column type. In structure, if you see, it will be a C column type machine. In CNC router, mostly it's a gantry type machine, like a bridge type or gantry type we call it. Those kind of machine are used in CNC router machine, and the precision of CNC router machine is not that good as the VMC or what the other CNC machines. It will be like a 20 micron to 10 micron, like that. So it's depend upon the workmanship on which that machine has made and the technology on which it is made. So generally CNC router is just meant to move the axis in X, Y, Z, as well as if you want to give the fourth and fifth axis also we can give. Like that we call it as a rotary axis or the fourth axis or 5 axis. Generally fifth axis we use for making statues and all those kind of things. And a prerequisite for a CNC router machine is similar as that of CNC machine, that we must have a design, that is a CAD design. We must have. It can be a 2D design. 2D design we generally use for 2D machining, like cutting of sheet and all those kind of things. Where we can do it in any of the software like AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, like that. We want only the 2D vectors only for that. Even any number of CAD/CAM softwares are available. So this one, after creating the design, we have to move into the CAM. That we have to give the parameters, what all tool we want to use, depth of cut, and all those kind of parameters we will give. Then accordingly post process and make a CNC code. That CNC code will be read by the CNC controller. And the CNC controller used with the CNC router is mainly not that high-end controllers, but we can fit high-end controllers also. Depend upon that, the cost of the router will increase. So it may not be affordable like for carpenters or jewelry worksman and all those kind of people. No, they may be investing a small amount and want to purchase this machine. For those people, CNC router is a good investment and affordable machine in CNC category. So what all kind of process we can do with the CNC machine? Like any other CNC machine, CNC router also we can use for marking, and that is a line marking. Then carving application we can, like a 3D relief machining. Then engraving can be embossed kind of engraving, like letter engraving where we can emboss it. Then we can use it for drilling applications. The drilling can be in jewelry as well as in many areas. Wherever you want to use the drilling operations, you can use it. Then profile cutting, then this embossing, and it's almost same only. Depend upon the tool and the tool path, the operations what we are giving in the our CAD/CAM software, depend upon the tools movement will be there. Accordingly we will differentiate the process. So we have many number of different process depend upon the CAD/CAM software what we are using for this application. But very common CAD/CAM software is ArtCAM from Autodesk. So those people have specifically made it for this CNC router. Then there is AlphaCAM and like that softwares are there, which is and many other companies makes their own softwares for the CNC router. So this is the processing, and then as a material is concerned, we can use a number of materials. Whatever material you want to try it on CNC router in a cheap way, you can do with the CNC router machine. If you experiment with some other CNC machine, it will be it will be costly for you. But if you do with CNC router machine, you can try with all kind of materials. We have tried many materials like wood, ceramics, glass, brass, and all soft metals. And in a hard metal also we have in SS and MS. Also we can work with the CNC router machine. Only thing is that the accuracy and the precision, that we have to compromise a little bit. But many applications we find that that kind of accuracy and precision may not be required. That those all places we can use this machine very well. Then the industry is concerned. You take any industry, you go to jewelry making, furniture making, construction itself, you can do different kind of material. So we can name out any areas of a construction industry we can use, where you have to create a shape by cutting the material or removing the material. Then there we can use the CNC router machine. And in electronic industries like PCB and all those kind of things, and marking on tag marking, etc., we can use in the electronic industry. And in signage industry also, a lot of signboards you can see in front of shops, which can be done in a very elegant manner with the CNC router machine with the different kinds of designs. So the CNC router machine generally improve your creativity, because you have a lot of tools with the software where you can design a beautiful way, and also it increases your productivity, because generally if you do with hand, suppose if you want to cut a MDF sheet in a circular in a round shape, with hand it is very difficult. If you give into the CNC router machine, you have to give the values in the designing, how much diameter you want to cut, and create what tool you want, with what tool you want to cut. Accordingly NC code will be generated. That NC code, if you give to the CNC machine, and keeping the material on the CNC router machine, just showing it the reference point 00, then running the program, we will get the output very fast. We can get the output, and the accuracy level and the shape also forming also very much better, and the repeatability will be there. Like that one shape, if you cut one shape in a number of times, there will be some difference will be there in the shape. But if you do with the CNC router, you will get almost exact. So this is the thing. Then in textile industry also, many application area is there, where they use the badges and all for they make the die with the CNC router machine. In packaging industry also, the die for the packaging, embossing, and dies they use for marking the name on the packaging, also for cutting, also they use it. And in plastic industry you have you can make the pattern for the plastic product. Any of the plastic product you can make the model and pattern, and also the die for that plastic product also you can do with the, and also direct component you can make out of the plastic if you want to do that. In aeronautical industry, you can take each and every area where we can, even it's in interior, or if it in the any high technology side also, we will find some point where we can use this machine, because the main principle, that it moves that the direction it wants with a tool. So that you can apply wherever whichever area you find it useful, you can use it. In pharmaceutical industry, there also, if you want to make that the different tablets, different shapes of tablets, if you want to make the die for that also, you can do it in that. Then in food and beverage also, we use for directly giving shapes to the food article with some dies and all those kind of things. Then automobile industries also, you use some direct components also machine with CNC router, and in interior also it use In medical industry also we use for different applications, and military and defense, and also many other areas we can use the CNC router machine. So we will I have just given the name for the webinar is 101 application of the CNC router machine, just to give inquisitiveness. Okay, this is so much of uses is there for this particular machine, so that you will come to know that there is many more application for CNC router machine other than that I have specified as 101 application. Because if you go on searching and if you try to categorize it, then you will find out it's many more application area where we can use the particular machine. So we will just see a glimpse of one by one what is 101 application what I have noted. So just I will read it that. And now first application I have given is a graphite electrode for EDM. In electrode discharge machining, we are using a graphite electrode to discharge the shape. Actually, whatever the shape, the female shape we want, in male shape we will make the electrode and we will do the discharging, electrode discharging. For that, the graphite we can machine using the CNC router machine. Generally what happens, if we are using the normal CNC machine, VMC, which is very costly, when very high precise machine, what happens is graphite when goes inside the moving parts, the machine get damaged fast. So many of the VMC machining people will not interested to do the electrode machining, the graphite machining in their machine. This way, this time the CNC router people will be happy to do those job with whatever the better accuracy they can do with that graphite electrode. Then for statue making in wood and stone, we can make the statue. When we do with the 4-axis and 5-axis application, we can take out the material from all the sides of the material. Then in form packaging, suppose if you are if you receive some items, then if you want to place the item very safely, we want to give a cover in the shape of the material, so that that filling area, that area we can machine and keep exactly to the shape of the machine, shape of the item you want to keep in the pack. So that kind of form packing we can use the CNC machine, router machine. And direct plastic part machining. Many application, like automobile or many other application, or some spares for some machine tools and all, we can directly machine from some plastic parts. So a number of plastic varieties are available. From that, with suitable plastic material we can select and we can directly machine that part in the CNC router machine. Then we can use for pattern making. In that we have in foundry and all, you can see that in wooden pattern is made first, and doing this sand core and cavity and all. No, that master pattern you can do directly by CNC router machine. Earlier they were used to do with hand. Now we can do with the CNC router machine wooden patterns and get the exact cavity and core, the sand and core and all. So then other application is cabinet panel sheet machining. That cabinet making, like wardrobes, kitchen cabinets and many areas. Earlier what the carpenter will come and measure each and every this thing, and they will cut one piece and just go and place it there. They will see whether it is exactly matching there or not. Then they will, if it is not matching, they will take it back and again correct it. Then and they will go back and again fit it and see the fitting, like that. But now with the CNC router machines help, what they can do is that in the design stage itself they can design the full cabinet in a software. Software is there. You can design in that and to show to the customer, okay, this is the way I am going to make this almara, this is the way I am going to make this cabinet or kitchen cabinet or wardrobe or bedrobe or whatever. and tell them, okay, this is the thing, and he can give in a design itself different kinds of fittings, what all is required, and wherever the drilling is required, wherever the cutting is required, everything will be automatically calculated, and can make a nesting in the software itself. So it automatically will calculate how many 8x4 sheet or the raw material is required, particle board or MDF, whatever they are want to use for the making the cabinetry, how many sheets are required, it will automatically calculate, and the program for each sheet and the NC code will be created, and that NC code we can give, and those parts made in the CNC router machine you can make in one fit itself. So it takes saves a lot of time, and also we can make to our taste. That is the main advantage. Then in prototyping, if everybody want prototyping is before making any item, we want to see, everybody want to see how it will be exactly, because if you do some injection, if you want to go for production, before going for production, if you want to do, then that way you can do that prototyping in any material. You can make the prototyping and show how exactly it look before going into the production, like that. Then aluminum metal composite cladding, that is for exterior application. You can see some, I can show some images to you. And sign making, where also sign making also you have different kinds of name boards and all you can cut and do in plastics and aluminum composite panel and many other material you can do that. Then die making, you have seen different die making is general in every functional area. It's the die making is used. So you can do with the different materials. Die making you can do it. Even normal in concrete slab, concrete statue making itself, you can make a die in wood, and you can fill concrete inside and make it as a statue. So even the Loki area also you can use. Okay. So die making also you have seen. Then there is in jewelry making you can have scenery cutting or letter cutting and all kind of thing. Then PCB drilling, legs for furniture. I will just read out this one by one, and you can just see that what all the in the legs for furniture, textile pattern design making, educational uses, door carving application, 3D carved sofa, cot and all, wedding ring name engraving, you can use the CNC router machine, metal fabrications and plastic fabrication, interior exterior decorations, wall arts, designs, design boards, mirror frames and kids play items. Then trimming of uneven edges from the thermoformed plastics. The thermoforming, once we do some extra material will be left out, so it can be trimmed using this machine. And in the same way, in the casted part also, there will be some extra material will be there, though we can fell it out like that. Then making die vacuum mold. If you want to make a vacuum molding of plastic material, you want a die for that. That die in wood or aluminum you can use made using the CNC router machine. You can also do musical instrument parts, and you can do it for arts and craft application, architectural small models. You can use CNC router machine, and making brass dies for silicon badges, like silicon badges in bags and many items. You can see the silicon badges will be there. Engraving nameplates and marking designs on silver utensils. You can mark silver utensils with the different designs and names and all using CNC router machine. Then form cutting and several components in the butts and several components of gun and firearms equipments you can make it. And in marine and boat building you can use for boat building also. and wind turbine kites, we can do that, and lighting decoration slides. No, you can use this CNC router machine to manufacture creative slides, and leather impression dies also you can do, and aircraft and vehicle interior also you can use this machine for that kind of application. Then for point of purchase display, and then 3D EPS solid model for the sanitary ware. No, you can use different sanitary ware. You can make the EPS form model for that, and customized panel furniture as you can use. Knockdown furniture also you can use. Knockdown furniture is that the furniture we can assemble and take it out easily and assemble it like that. It's don't have a permanent fastener with each parts. So wooden screen hollow carving, like this wooden carving also you can see that. Then cabinet door making, and medical and prosthetic devices also you can use. The footwear customized sole making. In sole customized, some people have want different kinds of different heights in the sole, so accordingly the sole can be machined using the CNC router machine. Manufacturing of nested upholstery frames. We have to make a frame for making upholstery, sofa and all those things. For that, the frame we can use made using the CNC router machine. Then exhibit exhibits for stores and fixtures. High volume cabinet productions we can use. Then nested based applications, photo engraving and braille signs, badges and tag engraving, rubber die cutting, and ceramics component or product making, glass engraving, custom bike and car parts accessories. If some people modify the car and bike parts, so for them they can make using CNC router machine, they can make the parts for this trophy and award making, and wooden 3D puzzles we can make with the CNC router machine. Eyeglass frames. In the spectacle eyeglass frame we can use wooden frames, and nowadays there is a trend to use wooden frame from glass frame. That also we can use with the CNC router machine. Children furnitures, cardboard cutting for box making we can use. Then speaker box making, cushion styling, coin die making, gold 3D pendants making, inlay works, making sports items like that, cricket bat and all we can use. You can make using the CNC router machine. Wave board, then kitchen table and countertops, handcraft duplication, handicraft items we can duplicate easily with the CNC router machine. Bathroom fittings we can use, different area we can use that. Miniature models, if you want to make small models of like one bike model, if you want to make a small model, miniature model of that bike, we can use CNC router to make that. Then tiles decoration, and tools and knife handles for tools and knife and all. Jewelry box making, and watch cases and accessories machining. Then customized apparel accessories, buttons, you can make a customized buttons and all those kind of things, whatever the different add on to your apparel. Wall clock designs, different kinds of wall clocks with the design you can make. Demo models for teachings you can make. Thermocol form making. Then lamp shades, display counters and puzzles, acrylic models for plastic bottles, terrain 3D maps. We can make a 3D model for the area. Okay, if there is a hill, we can show the hill. There is a river. All we can machine in a 3D model maps. And 3D model for wind tunnel testing. If you want to make a 3D replica a particular area with a 3D model, we can use CNC router machine to make all the objects in that area by machining in CNC machine. Then solid wooden furniture, we make mobile protection film machining, and pencil drawing, CNC art. You can use the CNC router just for a pencil drawing and art and all. And stone sculpture, we can use it. Engraving and making on electronic circuit board, we can make that. Then food items dye, we want to get the food items in different shapes, we can use dye for that. We can make the dye for that with CNC router machine. Cigarette later case machining, on that people want variety of designs in cigarette liters. For that also we can do the machining. And dental application, we can use it. Semi-precious and precious stone machining also we can use it. Switchboard making, hilum sheet switchboard, we can cut the hilum sheet and all those things. Then V-bit carving. This is the few 101 I just noted down, but you can find many more application in this area. So I am in a mission to train 1 million people in this particular field, so that they can improve their skills to enhance their employability, as well as to as be as successful as an entrepreneur. I will show some of the this is some of the images of can see that images. Hello, anybody is there? Can see the images?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, this is the engraving on silver plate. You can see that the children shoe organizer, that furniture, this kind of item in construction. You can do the boards, separation boards, this vacuum forming, this is V-bit carving, metal engraving, wood engraving. For toiletry items, we can make it with machine it and make it like this. Then this kind of the knockdown furniture we call this. So we can in one sheet, if you give, then that sheet we can cut all these parts separately and just can assemble. So this is a trend nowadays to make CNC cut furnitures. We can call it as a knockdown furniture also. Then you can see this eyeglass frame you can do. Then this is for board manufacturing. So you can hull and all these things, you can machine it directly with the CNC. Big CNC router machine are available. This is for cabinetry, doors and this thing. Then for signage making. Then again for the engraving on a silver plate. This all the models, that prototypes we can make. We can use as a pattern, we can use as a prototype, directly machining from the CNC router machine. This also, if you want to the replica of some particular things, or you make it some miniature model. If you want to make on a particular model car or bike like that, you can machine it and make it. So this all, so that this handbill directly you can machine with the CNC router machine. Then the furniture, this also knockdown type furniture. The signage, you can engrave the name. This is the sole. No, it's a customized sole we can machine on the form sheet, depend upon the size of the leg and the then for engraving on gold, different names and all those. Then cutting to put stones on that. You can have the photo engraving also with CNC router machine on stone or any other materials. Then we have in stone also you can write the name, and brass engraving or coin die making, and different other material we can do the die for it. And for the musical instruments like that. So these all applications of CNC router machine. You can find this is the artificial limb where we can machine it with CNC router. Such kind of material like polycarbonate, and also it can give strength for it. This is for miniature building. No, you can before for architect they can make a miniature building with CNC router machine, and artistic sets and all they can use it. This is stone carving, the precious stone carving, a semi-precious stone. They can carve and sell it for a higher price. So that's the thing. The name. Engraving, then waved. This is the upholstery outer structure. No, we can make it using CNC router. It's the interior application. So this all design like that. A CNC router, with the help of CNC router, you can easily create many things like that. So thank you. Hope that you got some idea about what is CNC router machine, where it can be used, and if you have any questions, I think you can ask now. Hello. Yeah. Sir, I can send a Google form also, so that people can send the question. I can reply them also separately. Also, you can reply them later, or if anybody have to clear the doubts now, they can ask me now.
Thank you, sir, for giving us a very exhaustive applications of CNC router machine.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Your presentation was very good. Thank you so much. I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
This CNC router machines, you have set a wide range of applications.
Oh yeah.
Right. Actually, I am working on an area called welding area. So,
Okay.
fully automated welding machines which are being manufactured are very expensive. So,
Yeah.
is there any modifications which can be done on a CNC router machine which can be used for some welding application or additive manufacturing application? Is that possible?
Yeah, this is both welding. See, the main concept of all this kind of machine is that we are enabling the movement, that is X, Y, Z, or another three rotational axes. So at the end that one here we are using a spindle for machining. In welding application, we will be using a welding torch there. No, that is the, that is the only difference. In additive manufacturing also, you have an extruder and then filament or whatever the technology or process you are using. If you have FDM, then there will be like that, or if you are different kinds of application. But mainly there is a movement in X, Y, Z, as well as if we want extra additional movement, we can have that additional movement also with a controlled manner.
Any kind of a product that is being developed exclusive for welding machine from your side, sir?
Exclusive, we see the welding technology is totally different. Here what we can enable is that the movement of the welding head, the torch, that we can move it.
Yes.
And make it stop for some particular place and weld it and move it to some other place. So in robotic programming also is available. This is CNC, purely CNC. No, it's a XYZ movement only. So you can have in CNC you have a more force it can take actually compared to the robotic head. That is the only difference.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So one more thing, for example, if it is an additive manufacturing or in a welding operation, the distance between that electrode and the material has to be maintained something less than 2 to 3 mm. So
Yeah.
is that possible? Something like
Yeah. It's possible because there is a there is a attachment. The THC, the height controller, is there actually. So normally in plasma machine, all we do that. No, there is a, we have to maintain a distance between the metal and the plasma head. So we can maintain that because the sheet always will not be so even. So it will be ups and downs will be there. So automatically the torch head will go up and down according to the height controller. So we can do the height controlling also. That height control we can do that.
Okay, sir.
So,
sir, can I have your contact details so that in further if I wanted to contact you?
Yeah, surely, sir. Surely you have my pradeepdesign@gmail.com. So Prakash are also having my contact number. So
yes, sir. I will contact our team, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
There is a question in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Chat box seconds. Can you read it out, sir? I can't see it actually from that.
Is G-code
Okay.
remove the space.
Yes, sir. So, is G code and M codes are enough to get a job in CNC machine production company?
Yeah.
I think a student has asked whether is it enough to learn all G codes and M codes? Is that enough to get a job in CNC machine?
Nowadays, what happening is that earlier we were having NC machines actually. So NC machines, what happened is that we will be entering all this. First, we will write manually. We will write all the program NC codes, and then we will enter the in the panel how much is X, how many distance, Y, X, how many distance, like that. Then the machine will run accordingly. Nowadays, every machine is CAM integrated. That is CNC. What purely says as CNC is that computer is controlling that. So whatever the codes, G codes required is automatically generating actually. The only help knowing the G code is that we can once we look at the G code, we can understand what is exactly that, because every time we are not going to correct it. Every time we are not going to make it the NC code as we do earlier. Nowadays, even a simple program to cut a rectangle, we have to draw a rectangle in the we have to make a vector rectangle, then what all tool we have to select. In CAM itself we can do all this kind of things. So nowadays knowing a software is more important than the knowing the G code and code. G code and code knowing and all, it will definitely help if there is some variation is there in the control system, there is no proper integration is there, then we have to change some code for G code or like that. That time it will be useful. So the knowing G code and M code is a basic knowledge only, but in nowadays application it's depend upon, and then there is a number of control system also available nowadays. So having basic knowledge is well and good. Knowing in a particular machine, it's very essential nowadays.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Sir.
Possibilities of converting an existing machine into CNC router by retrofitting process.
Yes, sir. Retrofitting. Yeah.
Is it possible? Yeah.
Retrofitting is possible, sir.
Okay. We have two CNC. Can we retrofit that one in our university? Possible.
Sir, okay. Okay, we have to look into that first. What is that and what power is required for that on all. We have to have a study, then only we can go into that, sir. Yes, sir. I can guide you. If I am not able to do, I can guide you somebody who can do, and I can help you out. Okay, sir.
Good presentation, Pradeep. Excellent presentation.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. It's my proud privilege to be associated with you people once again, and with especially Satyabama University. Yes, sir, my university. So I'm very much thankful to you all, sir.
Thank you, Pradeep. Niveen?
Yeah.
Niveen Joy? Niveen?
Thank you so much, sir, for a very wonderful, exhaustive presentation on applications of CNC. It was very informative, very interesting.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much, sir.
Yeah.
For the participants, the feedback link will be posted on the chat box.
Okay.
I request all the participants to please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome, sir. Welcome. So nice of you all. Thank you, sir.